Going to get some fuel on the boat for the trip. Not sure how much it's going to cost, but I'm sure it's going to be pretty high. We'll see what happens. It's going to take a lot of fuel, but headed right now to the gas station. We'll see what happens. Me and Kendra are on our way to Walmart now. We're going to get some more camping supplies, like a bed, some more food to go on the boat. Then we're going to stop and get some Mexican food before. Yep. Here we go. Well, we are headed to Keystone Lake to start the journey. I got a ton of snacks, everything loaded down. Stopped by and got some McDonald's for the last time for 3 days. I love me some McDonald's, and as you can see, it's starting to rain, so we'll see how this goes. Just me and Riata for now. Kendra's gonna meet us out there after work. But I'll see y'all when I get on the water. Y'all kind of have to bear with me. I'm new to the drones and editing videos, but I just left it all in there because I didn't know what all you wanted to see, but just enjoy. Thank you. Well, we made it on the water. Been floating around trying to catch some shad I felled at the boat ramp, but we're gonna keep looking around and see if we can find any up in some of these coves. We got all day though to find shad. Cleared up pretty nice, and it's honestly pretty flat out here, but I'll get back with y'all when I catch some shad. Well, finally found some shad. Kind of peeked off in this cove waiting on Kendra to get off. Figured I'd throw a couple lines. No luck yet. Me and Riata have been trying to get the AC to work. I drilled some holes and put a little fan in there as a temporary fix. My AC unit, it wasn't really working because it's just pulling hot air. She's cooling off in here in the cab in the shade. I got the window open. But yeah, we're just enjoying it. Trying to catch some catfish. Might have to wait till later this evening before we get anything, or might have to move around a little bit. This might be the cove I end up staying at. It's a pretty nice, quiet cove. Lots of shad in here, so I figured I might catch a couple catfish. There was a Suburban, looks to be abandoned halfway in the water. But yeah, I'll update y'all. Something else happens. See ya. moved to a different sandbar just to hang out. Still waiting on Kenner to get off. Maverick Trenton Page showed up. He's trying his new boat out. Kenner had to work a little later than expected, I guess, but we're still hanging in there. I'll update y'all if we start catching some fish. Now we're just making some dinner. Got the poles out. Some smash burgers, loaded baked potato salad. And we're gonna see how the night goes. It's supposed to rain. Kenner's eating their cheeseburger. We got ate a little bit. Really like this grill. We're in a really nice little cove here, all to ourselves. Kenner thinks it's funny. Pretty flat, calm evening. Well, I've caught one channel and a massive drum. I'm about to turn him loose. I thought I caught a really big catfish, but he tricked me. Keep going. Another good channel, good eater. As soon as I threw that drum back, this one, he ripped the pole out of the dang holder. You ain't got to worry about him biting. You got to worry about him ripping the damn pole out of the holder out here. Not impressed with the fish. Well, we survived the night until this morning. The rain came in and was unbearable. Heading into town here, we're gonna get a little breakfast, go home, take some showers, take care of some things. I'll probably be back once the rain clears out for the rest of the weekend. It's just pretty unbearable. Can't cook or nothing. Here we go. Well, y'all, we made it to the second night, technically, of being out here. We went home yesterday in the morning and just decided to stay home that night. Came back today and swam a bit. Now we've been fishing, haven't caught a dang thing, but we're camping out our second night. Kind of a nice night, not supposed to have any more rain, but we'll talk to y'all in the morning. Well, it's officially the next morning. We got up a couple hours ago, but I just let Kendra go get her car to run to town to get some breakfast. We survived. I slept in this chair all night. But don't look at my toes. Rihanna's having a hell of a time. She's missing her mom now. Drinking a Diet Dr. Pepper, enjoying the view, waiting on everyone to get back. There you go. Happy Memorial Day.